Let's learn how to create our own custom stickers from your images using Instagram. The first step is to open the App Store or Google Play Store and update your Instagram. Now open Instagram and find some chat. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the sticker icon to access the sticker library. From the sticker library, choose the cutout sticker. You'll be prompted to select an image from your phone's gallery. Choose the image you want to turn into a sticker. The cutout sticker gives you two options. This option automatically detects the shape of the object in your image and cuts it out. If you want more control over the cutout, you can use the manual tool to trace the shape of the object. Once you've cut out your object, you can adjust the size, position, and rotation of the sticker as needed. Once you're satisfied with your sticker, tap on Save Sticker. That's it! You've successfully created your own custom Instagram sticker using the cutout feature. Don't forget to share your creations with me in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.